Parks Lumber Company has continuously served Lawrence and surrounding counties for over a century. No matter your building needs, our experienced staff will be with you every step of the way to ensure you receive the highest customer service and attention to detail you deserve. We guarantee you will see working with PLC is as easy as 1, 2, 3.
From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your weather today.
Good Tuesday morning, folks. Ben Luna here with you in the Tennessee Valley Weather Center, wishing you a terrific day as you check out this forecast update. Have a lot to discuss over the next few minutes as the remains of Tropical Storm Beryl continue to work close enough to the area that we could be looking at a few thunderstorms over parts of our area as we head through the course of today. And, well, some of those storms might not be too friendly. I'll talk about that, plus a drop in temperatures before it's all said and done with as well in this edition of Your Weather Today, made possible by our good friends down at Parks Lumber Company in Lawrenceburg. With that said, here's a look at satellite and radar. This is over the past 24 hours, and there's the remains of that once very powerful hurricane working its way up through Texas and then on into parts of Arkansas, and then eventually on up into the Midwest. Now, this is going to be close enough to our area today that we kind of sort of will be impacted, but well, just not too terribly much. Unfortunately, we do need the rain, and our neighbors off to the west are getting a surplus of it. In terms of what we're going to see today, well, here's Futurecast. Notice for the most part, just little pop-up showers. Maybe a little bit more organized of a line could cross the area as we work through the afternoon today. We'll be watching how that plays out. And because of the atmospheric dynamics that we have overhead here in the Tennessee Valley, any one of these storms might trend a little bit on the stronger side. We'll be watching that closely, again, as we head through the course of today and this evening, but eventually this is going to pull on out of the area. We'll be left over with some cloud coverage here for tomorrow for just a little while, and maybe one or two little isolated showers for Wednesday. I think rain chances are really low for tomorrow as the system pulls on out and on off toward the mid-Atlantic region. Now, as far as what's left over for our area, well, we're going to be back to slightly cooler, just slightly cooler conditions, but dry conditions as well that'll carry us for the duration of the work week, all while temps will be warming back up as we look ahead to the later portion of this week and on into the coming weekend. So Futurecast here behind me. Not a lot to talk about, unfortunately. We are going to stay bone dry after today's rain chance, and then maybe one or two little leftover showers for tomorrow. Here's a look at the impact that Beryl will have on our temperature situation for a few days. Notice the heat index this afternoon, still boiling hot. 104 degrees, the possible heat index for the area. This is an average for the southern mid-state, northeast Mississippi, and northwest Alabama. And then we do take a little bit of a back step. This is probably, if we're not going to see rainfall from that system, this is the next best thing that it could do, and that's provide us with enough cooler air, at least in terms of heat index, over the course of the remainder of the work week. But by the weekend, yeah, it's going to feel more like summertime again for the Tennessee Valley region. Here's how today is going to shape up. Many of you warm right back up into the low, maybe mid-90s across the area, and that thunderstorm chance will arrive after lunch and continue well into this evening. Here's a look at the next 7 days, fresh from the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel. As I mentioned, maybe a spotty shower left over tomorrow, but really I think that's going to be mainly east of I-65. And then we are dry completely, at least until Saturday. By Saturday night and then really into Sunday, I think that's when we might be picking up another chance for a spotty shower or two. Temperatures lower, at least for a few days, before again warming back up as we head toward the end of the weekend and early next week. Kelly is here at noon with more on your local forecast, and Fred Gossage live at 5 on the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel. Thanks for watching and have a blessed day.